Hello students, welcome to our BSc first year compulsory English class, and please every lecture you have to join our Google Classroom. So link is already I have sent it in our Telegram group, and please tell the other student also to join our classroom for BSc first year compulsory English. First of all, I want to congratulate all the students those who passed 12th standard, and it's a really very difficult exam. I heartily congratulate to all of you. This is Dr. Rupali Hivarkar, Assistant Professor, Department of English, Vivekanand College, Aurangabad, and I am going to teach you this paper, PSC First Year Compulsory English. So in this video, you will find the syllabus for our whole compulsory English. So student, if you have registered with you, please copy all the units uh, of your syllabus for compulsory English, and this is your first semester, and the name of our first paper is learning language skill, and this whole syllabus is for 50 marks. So please listen it carefully and please copy all the units of our syllabus. So dear student, this is the first slide of our syllabus. Now see here, semester 1, paper 1, learning language skills 1. So please try to understand the name of our paper is paper 1, and the name of the paper 1 is learning language skills, and it is this paper is for 50 marks. So please remember, see I deliberately underline the number 50 marks. So student, this is the second slide, or in this slide you will find unit 1. Unit 1, in unit 1 you will find 5 prose are there, and it will carry 15 marks. Now see prose. First one, Happy Prince. Happy Prince, this is a very interesting prose written by Oscar Wilde. Second word, Good Manners. This is the second prose written by J.C. Hills. On one side you will find the names of all the prose is given, and immediately after the title of the prose you will find the name of the author. Third one is The Eyes Are Not Here, written by Ruskin Bond. Fourth one, Forgetting, by Robert Lane. Fifth one, Homecoming, written by Rabindranath Tagore. So in this way, we will start our syllabus with the help of this very interesting prose, Happy Prince by Oscar Wilde. So please student, if you have registered with you, please write down all the 5 prose you have in your unit 1. So in this unit you will find all the 5 prose are compulsory, and we have to understand one by one, and all whole prose carries 15 marks. Students, this is the third slide of our syllabus for compulsory English, and this is your unit 2, poetry, and it will carries 15 marks. Now again, like your prose, here also you have 5 poetry, very interesting, very wonderful poetries. And firstly the title of our poetry is given, and after that you will find the name of poets. So see the first one. Poetry, first poetry. One day I wrote her name upon the strand, and this poem is written by Edmund Spenser. Second one, Ode on Solitude. This is the second poetry, and this poetry is written by Alexander Pope. Third one, If. If poetry is written by Rudyard Kipling. Fourth one, My Love is Like Red Red Rose. This poetry is a romantic poem written by very interesting poet, very famous poet, Robert Burns. Fifth one is Stopping by Woods on a Snowy Evening by Robert Frost. So all these 5 poems we have to understand or study in this syllabus. So student, again please write down all the names and the poet names in your register. So whole poetry unit, this is a unit 2, because you already know that in unit 1 you have prose and in unit 2 you have poetry, and whole poetry will carry 15 marks. Student, in this slide you will find unit 3, and this unit 3 is related with our grammar portion, or it will carries 12 marks. So see grammar. First one, parts of speech. You have part of speech in this syllabus. So first one is a very, and I think that you already familiar with all the parts of speech, and that you will study at your that you already study at your school level. So first one is nouns, and in this nouns you have to understand classes and gender, number and case. Next one is adjectives. In the case of the adjectives, you have to understand kinds of adjectives, comparison of adjectives, and the correct use of some adjectives, and also articles. So please remember the articles also you have to understand in this second part of speech. Then next one is pronouns, and in this part of speech you have to understand the personal pronouns, reflexive pronouns, demonstrative pronouns, interrogative pronouns, distributive pronouns, and relative pronouns. So this is a half portion of your grammar. In the next slide again we will discuss about the remaining parts of speech. So students, again see again in your grammar portion you have in this slide you will find the remaining parts of speech. See the number 5th one, verbs, and in this case of the verbs you have to understand transitive and intransitive verbs, verbs and moods, indicative moods, imperative mood, subjunctive mood, the auxiliaries like be, have, do, shall, can, must, and modal auxiliaries also. In number 6, adverbs like kinds, simple, interrogative, and relative, formation of adverbs, and position of adverbs. See the number 7, preposition. And in the case of the preposition, you have to understand phrase preposition, object of preposition, relations shown by prepositions, and correct use of preposition. Number 8, conjunction. This is also the one of the major important part of speech. Conjunction, very easy it is, and in this part of speech you have to understand phrase conjunctions, coordinating and subordinating conjunctions, then correct use of sub conjunctions, and the last part of speech you have to understand here, interjections. So in this way we completed the whole part of speech that you have to study in unit 3, and it will carries 12 marks. So please whatever I have shown to you in this slide, please note down in your register, and step by step after we will complete the 2 major prose, then poetry, then after completing the 2 poetries I will start the grammar portion. Students, this is the last slide of our syllabus, or in this slide you will find unit 4, and unit 4 in unit 4 you have précis writing, and précis writing is for 8 marks. Means 1/4 of a paragraph is given to you, and you have to write 1/4 of the summary of the paragraph. So this topic is also I will explain to you after completing the 2 prose, 2 poetries, and some grammar portion of unit of our grammar portion of unit 3, and this is the last unit, unit 4, and it will carry the 8 marks. It's this topic is also very easy to understand. So with the help of the examples you will definitely understand it easily. So in this way we completed our whole syllabus. Please remember, I am repeating again that first slide is related with unit 1 prose. You will find the 5 prose. In unit 2, the unit 2 is related with poetry. 5 poetries will be there you have in your syllabus, and prose and poetry they will carry 15 marks. And next one is third unit is related with the grammar portion, and this is the last unit, and it will carries 8 marks, and for your grammar portion it will carries 12 marks. So in this way we completed our whole syllabus, and please try to understand it. So in this whole slide you will find the 4 units are there. First unit is prose, second unit is poetry, and third one is grammar, and in the unit 4 you have a précis writing. So in this way we completed our whole syllabus, and in the next video we will immediately start our first prose, The Happy Prince, written by Oscar Wilde. Thank you.